everybody, it's Sarah with Perfectly Posh, and I wanted to show you guys today, if you decided to join Perfectly Posh today in the month of September, what you would get in your kit. Now, some of these things I did have to replace because I don't currently have them because they are new recruit exclusive items, but I added them into the kit just so you could see how much product you would get for your buck. Now you're gonna get this beautiful box here, and this kit is $99. So $99, and you get to start your own business, a whole bunch of product, a free website, unlimited support and help from your teammate and your sponsor, that would be me, and just a world of opportunities, exclusive items for consultants only, trip incentives, free trips, paid vacations. The possibilities are endless. So you guys can make this business if you want it to be a business. If you just want to spend $99 and get this bad boy right here, you can do that too, plus a future discount on all of your purchases. That opportunity is there for you. So there's no pressure. You can make this what you want it, and that's what we love about Perfectly Posh. So let's dig into the kit. Ta-da! Now these bags I joined in August of 2017, and at the time the bags were different. So you as a new consultant would get 3 pink bags, and one would say pampering for me, one would say products for my business, and the third one would say samples for my business. So you would get 3 total bags, and these bags would be full with product and samples. But for display purposes, I wanted to shake things up and do it a little bit different. In here, I have put all of the samples that you are gonna get. You get 20 samples in here as a new consultant. Now again, I did not have some of the samples that are in the kit this month, so I put them in here what I had for display purposes. So you're gonna get a big fat yummy hand cream, moisturizer. I know Right on Cue, which is our cuticle cream, is going to be in there. So 20 samples. I mean, come on, that's a ton of samples. Here's even more in here. This is 20 exactly. So you're gonna get all those samples in your kit that you can either use for yourself or you can spread out to your friends and family. So let's dig into the goods. Dun, 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 dun. Here is our kit for September 2018. Again, some of these items have been substituted because I don't have them because they're new sponsor exclusives. But here is your kit. Look at all of this that you're getting for $99, including the samples that I showed you before, including the bags. So in here, as a new consultant, one of the sponsor exclusives is going to be a Fizzy Bath Bomb 7-pack. So you're gonna get 7 bath bombs in your redeem tab. And I just have a few of mine in here. There's only 6 because that's all I could fit, but you're gonna get 7. So that is your sponsor exclusive for this month, in addition to an exclusive big fat yummy hand cream, and it is going to be called Poshy Mellow. So it's going to be a marshmallowy smell, and I'm pretty jealous of you new sponsors or new recruits because I really want the Poshy Mellow. So those are your additional new recruit items for this month of September. In addition to that, so that's a $39 value right there. Your $99 is also going to get you the Social Butterfly Hand Cream. This is going to be in your kit, and this has been a fan favorite. So, hand cream, you can keep it for yourself, you can sell it, whatever you want to do. It's for you to pamper yourself or pamper somebody else. Social Butterfly Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. You're also going to get 3 skin sticks, and yes, you are going to get all 3 of those. So you have the Purifier Skin Stick, which is tea tree oil and eucalyptus, the Healer, which is my favorite. I use this on bumps, bruises, cuts, anything, chapped lips. The Healer, you're gonna get that, and then the Perk Skin Stick as well, and this is peppermint and shea butter, so it's for headaches and migraines and cramps and a pick-me-up. So you're gonna get all 3 of those skin sticks. Those are $14 a piece regularly. You're also going to get another bath bomb in your kit. I'm unsure of what scent you will get, but I guarantee you it is amazing. So you're gonna get a bath bomb. You're also gonna get Honey. This is a great body cream. It smells of lemon and honey, so you're gonna get that as well. Another Recruit exclusive, only members of Perfectly Posh can get this, the Ritual Deep Cleansing and Clarifying Face Mask. You cannot purchase this separately. This is an exclusive item. You can only get this way. So you'll be getting that. You will also be getting Totes Oats Face and Body Mask. Full size. All these products are full size. And then my favorite Perfectly Posh product is the BFF Face Cleanser. You will be getting that in this kit. And then we also have 2 bath bars, 2 chunks. Milking It and Feel Better Soon are both coming in this kit. This one is lavender and this one is goat's milk and honey. Great for dry skin, great for relaxation. So you're gonna get both of those products. You're also gonna get a full-size Brazilian Bombshell body cream. This is so popular, guys. We love this body cream. It has Brazil nut, and it has a very exotic smell to it, and it's very creamy and thick and moisturizing. So you're gonna get that in your kit. And then last but not least, you're going to get Ain't That the Youth. This is an unscented hand cream. It's also great for anti-aging of the hands because it has hyaluronic acid in it, I believe. So if you have somebody in your family or somebody that you want to posh that doesn't do well with high fragrance, this is a great hand cream for them. And it still has that non-greasy feeling that we love about our hand creams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 full-size products in your $99 kit. Now this kit is a $235 value in product alone. So guys, if you want all of this stuff, it's $99. All you have to do is sign up and you can contact me to do that. No obligation. If you just like stuff, this or pampering products, this is the way to go. You get all of this. That's the bang for your buck right there. If you decide you want to turn this into a business like myself and earn money as your side hustle, that opportunity is there for you, but it's not required, guys. Perfectly Posh doesn't require you to keep stock on hand. You buy it for yourself so you can pamper yourself, or you have your customers purchase it from your referral link, from your website, which is free forever, always. So I wanted to show you the September kit. This is it. Please contact me if you have any questions or would like to purchase this product or this kit. And this is for September only, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.